Top 5 Best Portable Blender 2021. For vacations or just your morning smoothie, the best portable blenders will power through protein shakes, fresh fruits, and even ice to make delicious on the go. Some of the personal blenders in our list are cordless, meaning you can take them with you and blend wherever you go. They are great for blending on the go and can also be used in conjunction with many other smaller kitchen appliances. So today, in this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best portable blender of 2021. We select these topics by own research, customer satisfaction, and performance. We also update links of blenders in the description box, so check them out as well. The Blendtec Designer Series Blender. Blendtec, a California-based manufacturer of high-end blenders, has always been renowned for their quality. The company has been around since the 1970s and is known for its range of blenders that can do anything from crushing ice to making soup. Blendtec is a company that sells blenders, and this model is specifically designed for recipes, making smoothies, and chopping. Their latest blender, the Designer Series Blender, is designed to make the best smoothies ever. But what makes it so different from other Blendtec products? The Designer Series is designed with 2 stages of blending: pureeing and pulverizing. It starts by pulverizing tough ingredients like ice or seeds into powder before moving on to pureeing softer ingredients like fruits and vegetables. The company says this innovative design ensures that you get silky smooth results every time. Blendtec's Designer Series blender has a 3.8 peak horsepower motor with 10 variable speeds. It has an automatic stop feature to turn the blender off when it senses that the mixture has been blended sufficiently. The blender comes with 3 pre-programmed settings for soup, frozen drinks or smoothies, and chopping. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender. Cuisinart's new Smart Stick Hand Blender is a small, lightweight blender that can be used to make a variety of recipes. The blender has an ergonomic design and rubberized grip, which makes it easy to hold on to. The blender also comes with multiple attachments, including a whisk attachment, chopper/crusher attachment, dough blade, and non-stick spatula. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender comes with a 2-year warranty included in the purchase price. This hand blender is perfect for those who are looking to save space without sacrificing power. It features an incredibly compact design that saves space while still providing the powerful blending action that you've come to expect from kitchen appliances. Budget pick. The Oyster MyBlend Personal Blender. Personal blender. The Oyster MyBlend Personal Blender is a personal blender that is easy to use and clean. It has a sleek design and it offers 2 different speeds for the user. The Oyster MyBlend Personal Blender was designed with a premium quality that makes it stand out from other personal blenders in the market. This blender also comes with 2 different speeds, which is useful when blending harder objects such as ice or frozen fruit. It also has a smart feature which prevents it from being turned on while there is something inside the jar, ensuring safety for the user. The Nutri Ninja Pro BL660. Great for protein shakes. If you're looking for a personal blender that can help you make healthy snacks and smoothies, the Nutri Ninja Pro is a great option. The Nutri Ninja Pro has 1100 watts of power, which is more than enough for crushing ice or making frozen fruit drinks. It comes with 2 16-ounce cups, so you can make 2 drinks at once. There's also a recipe book included, so you'll have plenty of inspiration for what to make first. Ninja has been a trusted brand when it comes to kitchen appliances and blenders. They have recently launched their new blender in the market, Nutri Ninja Pro. The Nutri Ninja Pro is designed for health-conscious individuals who want fresh and nutritious food to stay healthy and live a healthier lifestyle. The Nutri Ninja Pro features a power base with built-in digital timer that lets you know how long you've blended your ingredients for. The Vitamix 5200 Top-of-the-line blender. The Vitamix 5200 is a premium blender that is specifically designed for making smoothies. It features a 2.2 horsepower motor, a timer, and an LCD interface. The Vitamix 5200 is one of the most expensive blenders on the market, but it comes with all the latest and greatest features. The design of this blender is sleek and modern, and it has an LCD touchscreen which makes it easy to use. It can make hot soups as well as cold smoothies, but it won't work for grinding coffee or spices, which are more common in other blenders. Detailed features of the Vitamix 5200 blender. The Vitamix 5200 is a high-performance blender that offers a lot of versatility for all your cooking needs. It has a 2.2 peak horsepower motor, the most powerful in its class, meaning it can blend even tough ingredients like frozen fruit or ice cubes. There are 5 presets available: smoothie, hot soup, frozen desserts, whole juice, and self-cleaning. The self-cleaning function allows you to put the container and lid under running water for an easy cleanup. There is also a tamper that comes with the machine, so you can use it to push softer items down towards the plate for more efficient blending. As an added bonus, you also get a Vitamix 8-year warranty with this blender. This gives you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected for years to come. That's it for today. Let me know in the comment section about your favorite blender. Please leave a like, and as always, we will see you in the next video.